Hi, it's Cody. I decided to create a simple SQL fuzzing for junior Pentesters video, and the reason why you will see on the next slides. So here we go. The basic idea and intro to environment story, let's say. During one project in the past, I was asked to verify or identify the network services available in remote hosts, and that's how I found one of them was the SQL database. In the meantime, looking for some proof of concept, some exploits, etc., I found a very interesting GitHub resource that I will present in the next slide. So yeah, the init idea was based on the proof of concept I found during the pen tests. I decided to create a small SQL fuzzer, let's say, and of course to crash the database and find the bugs. So yeah, that's the case. The link below is the one I was mentioned before. So let's move to the next slide. As you can see, we are talking about Kinko proof of concept for one of the old one MySQL database. So my goal was to create some code, let's say a semantic mutation, and creating connector to DB. First of all, a semantic mutation, because I decided to take a SQL command like select something, insert something, and mutate it, like add to multiple A, multiple B, multiple C, etc. So the next part was the connection. So connect to the database and use our semantic mutator. Yeah. So moving forward. Yeah, like I said. So of course, in the perfect world, we should find a lot of bugs, but you know, the proof of concept I found was a pretty old one. So yeah, have fun. Anyway, have fun. So let's move forward. So far, so good. For my environment, I use Ubuntu virtual machine with some additional Python's module, and as a vulnerable target, of course, on my local machine, I use MySQL from version 5 to 8, whatever you would like to test. Enjoy. Yeah, remember about enable logs, and at this stage we can jump to the Docker. So yeah, Google is a friend. That's how I found multiple documentation, Stack Overflow posts, etc., where I was able to move forward with the logging part, let's say. So yeah, for example, one of the configuration I used looks like this. Moving forward, starting from the initial proof of concept, let's say the client, our little client, I use something like this, like you can see on the screen. Yeah, like I said before, connect and use our mutation to inject, insert, whatever you would like to call it, to the target database server. So at this stage, for more questions or answers, see you in the next part. Cheers.